That is a fantastic shot. Solar panels, garden, and the mega melon trellis. Good morning and welcome to this episode of the WickerShire Project. Rollie Pollie issues. Is it going to ruin your entire gardening season if you cannot cure your Rollie Pollie crops? We have a solution. PSA, public service announcement. It's come to my attention some of us have Rollie Pollie issues, these bugs destroying our starts and new plants. So what can you do about that besides spraying all chemicals and trying to kill them off? For one thing, our plants are protected in plastic and we're growing them in cups. So when putting them into a bed or into the ground, the best idea is once they come out of these cups is to cut out the very bottom of the cup and then just push the whole thing into the ground, leaving the top of the cup kind of exposed. What happens is when you get those Rollie Pollies, they'll go around the plastic cup and they can't get into your plants, eating and destroying all your vegetative matter. I hope this helps some of you gardeners out there stop your infestations, because I know it's driving some people nuts. Christy is one of them. The little salty homesteader out there in Texas has an infestation. She's a wonderful gardener. She puts in the hard work to grow a ton of plants, spending a lot of money on getting her garden to look beautiful, that we may view it and enjoy learning about growing plants. But today, watching an hour-long video, her frustration has now become my frustration. Friends don't let other friends' gardens get destroyed by bugs. Thanks for watching this episode of the WickerShire Project, and if it helps any of you out, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.